Failed with minor repairs, repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in the year of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, fire escape engineers, 866-649-0333. This is an inspector's summary video. This is a pre-existing non-conforming structure. This is a pass-fail inspection. This is a preload test evaluation. You need an EPA renovator's license. If this structure contains lead, this appears to be pre-1978, so it more than likely does contain lead. There will be no welding. All connections should be bolted, and this must be structurally sound and painted. Okay, we're about to begin our video, and I'm going to start out up on the 4th floor here. I'm sorry, 5th floor, and you're going to see we have a cage here. The cage is consisting of a channel, and the channel is 6 inches. It looks like it's 1.5 inches return. So you have a 6-inch channel, and that basically makes the cage. And then you have a series of channels that cantilever out that are used as brackets. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And then the 2 end channels are also supported by an angle, which appears to be a 2x2, and that forms a triangle. So the last 2 actually form a complete bracket versus a cantilever connection that goes into the building. Okay, we're gonna come down here. We have a flat on top. Oops. We have a flat on top here, and the flat appears to be 3/8 of an inch, and it's 1.5 inches wide, and that is the top rail. You have this bolted connection to connect the 2 rails together, and then you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 slats. They also appear to be 1.5 inches. Except they're 1/4 inch, and that's what acts as your medium. And then in the middle here, it appears to be a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch solid stock square, and your treads are made of pre-manufactured treads that hook. They're all one piece, and you can see evidence of rust and rust jacking between the stringer. The stringer is a flat. It appears to be 4 inches, and the railing, it appears to be 3/4 inch diameter solid. That's also for the post. And we're going to start our descent. I'll just give you a quick shot so you can see all the configurations on this platform. The slats themselves are lifting. There's evidence of rust and rust jacking, which is lifting it. And there is a slight slant to this, so that needs a little further investigation. Okay, we're going to start our descent down. Let me just turn around here. We will slowly come down, and you'll see right here we have our connection. There's a bolt there. Looks like there's an old rivet here, but you can see it's a flat connection. You can also see the channel here. So that basically consists of that, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. It looks like this was welded here, and it's all lifting. You can see different different ones lifting up, which means the connections are starting to fail where it was welded, and we need to address this. Okay, so let's come down. I wanted to just get a shot in between, and you can see the rust and the rust jacking, right? Let's get a, oops. Let me get in there. You can see the rust and rust jacking in between the stringer and the tread. And again, you can see what I was talking about here. It's a pre-manufactured tread, so this has probably been worked on. It looks like the bolts are, they've since been replaced. So this has been somewhat modernized. There has been work on it. It appears to be an older fire escape that has had work on it. There's more work to do, but this all stays, it all repeats itself. So each tread's the same, each bolt configuration is the same, and the railing's the same, and that's consistent on each staircase, each flight. So I'm coming down. I'm going to take a quick pause here.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with minor repairs. Repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.